The next type of meeting we're going to talk about is a group meeting. What is a group meeting? A group meeting is a meeting in which you can have multiple invitees. Just for example, you're running a class and you want to train people, you make use of a group meeting because it allows you to have multiple invitees at the same time. So when you click it, you'll find that the settings are the same as the one-on-one event, but we are only going to focus on the key differences. So for now, let's just choose color. We call it a training group meeting. The first difference is that you can only have one location. In this case, we're going to choose Zoom. If you notice, you are not going to be given other options. So you can only have one location. The availability, the duration works the same as explained in previous videos. The other key difference is the invitee limit. You can limit the number of people you want in your group. You cannot have one person in the group. It has to start from 2 and above. So you can say, I only want 10 invitees. You have the option of showing how many spots are left as people book. So for you to show them, you click display remaining spots on booking page. So the more options are actually the same as the ones that you find in a one-on-one meeting. So we are not going to talk about those as we have covered them already. Once you do this, you click Save Changes. So as you can see, this is a preview. If you click there, it shows how many spots are left at a particular time. So the 9 o'clock group to 9:30 will only have 10 spots. So this is how you set up a group meeting.